本日は、スマート工場EXPOに、初出展しております。今回は、TelevicのツアーガイドシステムUNITEを持ってきています。プロダクトマネージャーのBrunoさんにコメントを伺いますのでお答えします。
Thank you. Thank you for welcoming me. My name is Bruno van den Bossche. I'm part of the product management team at Televic, and I'm happy to give you an introduction about UNITE. UNITE is really our Swiss Army knife of communication. Creating better understanding involves talking, speaking, getting my audio over to you, listening, obviously, but also interacting. And UNITE has the tools to bring all of that to our solution, to this solution. Prime example is company tours. We're here at the Factory Innovation event, and if you're doing a company tour in a noisy environment, you really want the audience to have that clear audio, clear understanding of what you are saying without me shouting into your ear. So that's where UNITE comes in. Every participant has their earpiece listening in onto the device, and they hear the audio in perfect quality from my handset, from my transmitter device. Now, it's not only talking, me giving the explanation, it's also the talkback functionality. Our UNITE units have a practical interaction button. You push that button, and at that point, all the remote participant can also talk back, and the tour guides can listen to what they are saying and what they are talking about. All of this, of course, is using a wireless DECT signal, which is also encrypted using the highest standards so that all communication is secure at all times. Factory tours or tour guiding systems is not the only part that UNITE can be used for. It can also be used for wireless presentation, as I am doing right now. The audio of my presentation is going right into the camera that you're using or that you're listening to, and at that point providing you again with the best audio quality. Given that, it does not have to be just my audio voice, it can also be interpretation. Assume you have a very big event, large conference hall, then you can extend UNITE with wireless access points, because to be clear, up till now, all our communication has been standalone without the need of an access point. But if you have a big event, you can expand the range of UNITE with an access point with a free range of up to 300 meters of communication range. At that point, UNITE can be used for language distribution, bringing interpretation into the audio room or into the room with up to 32 simultaneous channels at once, thus providing your audience not only the best audio quality, but also the quality in their own language, what they can understand the best, giving them the opportunity to talk back and interact. Again, UNITE is really the Swiss Army knife of communication to create better understanding.
Televic というベルギーのメーカーの UNITE というワイヤレスのツアーガイドシステムについてご紹介していきます。まず機器構成なんですが、簡単に4種類レシーバーと送信機がございます。こちらの UNITE TP と呼ばれる送信機と UNITE RPT と呼ばれるトークバック付きのレシーバーと UNITE RP と呼ばれるレシーバーとハンドマイク型の送信機 UNITE TH の4種類がございます。それぞれの役割としては、UNITE の送信機が、マスターとサブマスターの役割となって発言をしてレシーバーで受け取るという形になります。同時発言権が、1つのチャンネルにつき3名までなので、TP と TH 送信機は、3つまでしか増やせないんですが、レシーバーは、その1つのチャンネルにつきいくらでも増やすことが可能です。例えば送信機が2台でもう1つの発言権が余っているときはトークバック付きの、受信機の方でこちらのトークボタンを押していただくことで発言することもできるので、送受信の、双方向の通信が可能となります。こちらが大まかなツアーガイドのシステムの内容になります。
D-Cerno is our audio solution perfect for smaller and up to large meeting rooms. In a meeting room with 4 to 5 people, you don't need audio reinforcements. If the number of participants raises to 8, 10 people, audio reinforcement becomes better to understand each other much better. This becomes even more apparent if you are talking about a hybrid meeting. If you are joining a Zoom call, Microsoft Teams call from within a meeting room, the audio quality and creating a good understanding is much more important, especially for the remote participant as the in-room participant. D-Cerno can help with that by capturing the audio of everybody, every individual in the room at the best possible input quality, reinforce that in the room through the microphone speakers, through the speakers in the device, as well as bring that into your remote meeting room platform. Now, setting up such a system is very easy. The central unit of D-Cerno is equipped with USB-C outputs, so you can just plug in the USB-C cable into the unit, into your meeting rooms device, which can be just your own laptop or even your smartphone, and you have the perfect audio quality inside your Teams call. That's not all. In an informal meeting, you do not want to always push the button to be able to talk. D-Cerno is equipped with a hands-free mode, which allows you to just start talking and the microphone will automatically pick up who is talking and give that information into the unit so that you can even redirect your camera tracking to that specific person. Not only is this all, again, in a secure environment, the audio can also be recorded either on the device itself or by plugging in a USB drive into the system. And that it doesn't even end there. The D-Cerno is also equipped with support for AES67 so that you can connect it to your DSP if you want to, create more complex audio processing and routing, and give you a full flexibility in setting up your meeting room.
一般的な会議マイクシステムですと、ハウリングのスピーカーから出た音をこのマイクがまた拾ってしまうっていう、そのハウリングを抑えるために、こちらのマイクユニットスピーカーがオフになることが多いんですが、こちらの D-Cerno の製品ですと、マイクがオンの状態でもスピーカーがミュートになることがなく、自分の喋った入ってきた音のみ、こちらでカットする機能があるので、ハウリングも起こさず、なおかつスピーカーもオフにならないため覚醒感が損なわれないっていう点が一つ D-Cerno のポイントになります。またハンズフリーモードというモードがございまして、接続されているマイクの全台が常にオンの状態で待機されることによって、集音の際に頭切れが起こらない、ハンズフリーモードというものもございますので、用途に合わせてお使いいただけると思います。以上 D-Cerno の紹介でした。